And thanks to Helen O'Grady for the development that we can see, definitely notice in him.
She enjoys the drama.
Her communication skills, be it reading skills, be it her self-esteem. I have seen that Helena Grady has provided a great opportunity, a great stage, and it has really helped him to boost his confidence.
The trainers are very good at Helen O'Grady.
So it was very nice journey.
They have polished students. I can see the effort teachers and kids have put into it.
Experience was very good.
Kids are really enjoying all the drama.
Hi, it was a great event, a good learning for the kids so that they can develop, they can take up different roles in their lives and also help them to boost their confidence, communication skills. And I believe it was done wonderfully and it was arranged wonderfully. So many preparation went into it, parents were there, the mentors were there, teachers were there. And I offer a great congratulations to all the team which was involved.
It was very nice to see the children doing such an act. I was not expecting my child to be in such a platforms. He performed very well. Great thanks to the teachers, whoever. It's their hard work, putting into the children's and nourishing. I hats off to them. I really appreciate their hard works.
It's a very wonderful experience for us as a parent. The children did so well. Like they performed. We have seen them practicing in front of mirror at home, and the costumes and everything. Especially my child was very enthusiastic excited for this event. It's really a great program to have in school.
It's giving the good confidence to students.
It was wonderful experience with you all. It's like Rajveer is working on his public speaking skills, and it's really good to work with you all. And kids are really enjoying all the drama. I hope you'll do better in the next year, like more interactive and all. This year also it was fantastic, but we are hoping for the more. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Helen O'Grady team. It was for creating a wonderful leg, and we have enjoyed a lot. And thank you for building a confidence in our children. That will surely help them in the long run. So thank you very much and keep the good job going. Great.
And I'm very proud of Helen O'Grady. They given fabulous work done by the kids. They put their efforts, and confident that my daughter hosted for the first time. I can see that confidence, and please do approach Helen O'Grady.
Her performance is growing day by day, like increasing day by day. And I'm really proud of her because nowadays she's teaching me like what is voice modulation and how to speak words. So I'm really proud of her.
खूप छान वाटला मुलांना प्रॅक्टिस करण्यासाठी किंवा स्टेज धाडस होण्यासाठी कॉन्फिडन्स मुलांचा वाढतो यासाठी खूप छान होता हा प्रोग्राम.
Experience was very good, and we enjoyed so much with our wards. Thank you so much, Helen O'Grady, for enriching us and boosting confidence in our children.
Hi, I'm Irav's mom. I'd just like to thank the Helen O'Grady team for giving so much of attention to my child. I think 1 year back he could barely speak, and today he's right here on the stage without any fear. I think special credit goes to the entire Helen O'Grady team for really giving in so much of attention to him and ensuring that he does not have any stage fear. Thank you so much.
He's doing very well, and the trainers are very good at Helen O'Grady. I'm very much satisfied, and I would like to enroll him next year also.
It's a very wonderful experience, being so small, they are doing very well. The expressions, the voice modulations, everything excellent, and I'm really happy to see him on a stage. So yeah, this was very wonderful for Helen O'Grady, with associating with Helen O'Grady International for the past 2 years. My kids have really learnt a lot, like the expressions, speaking outward. So that was how it helped. And today's program was really wonderful. We got to know the entire flow throughout the entire year, how the kids had learnt in the entire program. Thank you.
In this short time with these small kids, it was very difficult for anyone to get these kind of drama prepared.
but still with coordination and with proper communication, they delivered the today's show well.
So my name is Ravi. I have my two kids in Hello Grady, and I could see a gradual improvement, how they speak, how they act, and it's a really good experience to see them gradually improving their improvement skill and the communication skills. So thanks to Hello Grady, and look forward for more improvement in the future.
I'm a proud mother, Gatha's mother, and since the time we have enrolled her in Helena Grady class, she is doing extremely well. She has started pronouncing different words, like we get to hear and learn a lot of new words from her herself, and she is doing really well and performing well, giving good reactions also. And all credit goes to Helena Grady team.
I believe as a parent, this was a great opportunity for the kids. In fact, all age groups, we enjoyed the show. But more than that, I think it was important for each kid to get rid of the fear and hesitation when they are on stage and they look at a crowd and still go on to say those lines. I think that is the most important achievement at a young age for them. So if they can break that fear at this point of time, I think they are poised for bigger things ahead. Thank you.
Yeah, so it was amazing. I didn't expect that kids will perform so well. I can see the effort teachers and kids have put into it. So it was very good. I liked it.
Thank you, Helena Grady, for making my child learning things which are required. And he is very confident now. Actually, this last year, we have seen him growing by each and every classes.
I just enroll her for just to play and have fun, have little bit confidence. But meanwhile, she was outspoken already, but she was little shy that time. But I have seen her growing, her confidence again built up. So I must say they have polished the students very well. And at last, at the final stage, at the stage performance, we were not expecting too much. It's okay, but they have done very, very well, unexpectedly well. I am very much overwhelmed with the performance of the children, and thanks to the teachers, everybody in Hello Grady.
I'm Isha's mother. My name is Shravanti. And when we joined in Hello Grady, this is the first year. My kid is in first standard. I didn't know anything about the Hello Grady in the starting. But I came to know that even my kid is every day she used to read once she come back from the school. I asked her what is happening. She said reading session. So that is the first time I saw my kid is reading on her own. I was like very happy and excited. Being a mother and everybody, every parent think that their children should read and write very well when they go to school. And after that, even she started some dancing sessions and she used to do some practice sessions at home with her dialogues. And when she come back from the Hello Grady, when I say that today's you have Hello Grady sessions, she says, "Oh wow, that's good. I want to do better." Today she performed as a Jasmine, and I like that.
My name is Vinod Wadkar and my son name is Nispro Wadkar. He has joined the Hello Grady. This is the first year of the Hello Grady. The progress I have seen in the English, the fluent English what is speaking, because we are in the Marathi culture. The most of we are speaking Marathi in this home. But now I am very happy what he has given us. The sir, I am thankful to the team of the Hello Grady.
We are parents of Ansi. My daughter did this course from past 1 year, so she feels very confident and she enjoys the drama. She's collaborating with her colleagues and all of that. So it was very nice journey.
Yeah, so we are very happy that she got a stage experience and her confidence level has improved. And now she's more creative and she enjoys whatever she does.
Yeah, this is Vivek here. This is my son Vyas. He is a standard one. When he started, or when we enrolled him for this Hello Grady program, he had, a lot of hesitation. He was not a very he was not open with in talking to people and making friends. But after attending the session, I feel like, he is very social now, and he is able to make friends freely. And thanks to Helen O'Grady for for the development that we can see, definitely notice in him. Thank you.
I would like to appreciate very much the whole Helen O'Grady team, the developmental drama group. It was a great experience for us, and along with the children, it made us learn a lot. Thanks deeply from my heart to Guru Raj sir and the team. They worked a lot on the children, and it shows the effort done by the team. It shows on them. Best of luck, them. Best of luck.
Thank you so much, Helen O'Grady. I, being the sister of Krishna, I have seen very much. There's a great improvement I have seen in her communication skills, be it reading skills, be it her self-esteem. I have seen that Helen O'Grady has provided a great opportunity, a great stage to Krishna, and I'm very delighted to share this experience that she has learned a lot from it. Thank you so much.
And it was a wonderful event. We are very surprised to see Ridan perform on the stage and speaking so confidently. So it's all the credit goes to the Helen O'Grady team and the teachers. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful event. All the best for the future. Thank you.
It was really good. I really appreciate, and I'm it's admirable that the team has done performance to bring out the best in the children, speak on the stage, and really come out with emotions and expressions. Thank you.
Glad that my son has participated in this Helen O'Grady, and it has really helped him to boost his confidence. And the attention with the faculties give, it is highly appreciated. Thank you very much.